Hey there. Need a past statement for a loan application or your records? Getting a copy of your Bank of America statements is instant online, and you can go back several years. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to get them. Log into your Bank of America online account. Go to your account details and select Statements and Documents or e-Statements. You'll see a list of available statements by month and year. Select the one you need and download it as a PDF. You can typically access statements for the past 7 years online. My crucial pro tip: download and save important annual statements. While they're stored online, make it a habit to download your December statement each January. Save it with your permanent tax and financial records. This guarantees you have a copy independent of your account status. That's how you maintain complete, organized financial records. How far back do you keep your bank statements? A year, 7 years, or forever? Share your record-keeping rule below. If organization guides help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.